Alright, we got one with a parking brake chamber falling off the truck. I just looked at this when it came into the gate. I seen this thing moving around. It's missing the bottom bolt, a nut. The top one is actually broke off. You can see that or not? It's broke. So I'm gonna put a new one on it. Oh, and then I gotta take those two pins out, and take that nut off of there, and take the hoses off. Here, hose here, and the other hose is over there against the frame rail over there, and then pull the whole thing down with the hoses on it. It's the easiest way I found to do them. So let me get after it. Try and get a picture of the. These have to come out. Those pins have to come out. Cotter pins. And I get these two pins out right here. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. I'm getting that nut off of there. So hang tight. Alright, that's the new one. Going back up in there. That's what it looks like with it out. Got the broken bolt off, and that's out. All good to go. We put it all back together. So alright, got her all done. This is all put back up there, and brakes are adjusted. She's done deal. Take this time to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. See you.